Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello, everyone. So today I will be covering one of the problems within the Introduction to Programming Using Python book. The question specifically asks to write a program that displays welcome to Python, welcome to computer science, and programming is fun. So I'm just going to walk you through it. So just some simple notation. A pound sign will denote a comment. So basically it's not going to run. So if I do problem one and I run it, nothing happens. Okay. Now to display something from the program, we want to use the print function. So we're going to use print and say we want to write hello, right? I compile, it's going to print hello. So now to get welcome to Python, we just type welcome to Python. Compile, there we go. So now we want to print the other two messages, right? And so we're going to use the print function again. Now we're going to do welcome to computer science. And now we want to do print programming is fun. I print them, and there are those three. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much.